Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Okay,
ma'am.
we'll start. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll start the class now. See, children, we started rationalization, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So, what is rationalization? Rationalization is the process of converting irrational numbers, converting an irrational number into a rational number. Rationalization is the process of converting an irrational number into a rational number. Okay, so that is the topic, and we have started our algebraic identities and some rules also. We wrote, isn't it? Root a into root a equal to a. Will somebody please tell me the topic which we have finished? Tell me the topic. Last question. Yes? Somebody please tell the last question. No response? You have your notes with you? Do you have your notes? Yes, Surya, will you tell the last question which we finished?
50 by root 50 by root 2.
Very good. Root 50 by root 2. Then, Adidev, is there any problem with the audio? Am I audible properly, children? Am I audible properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Adidev feels some problem in between. Am I audible properly now? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we'll start the class now. Listen, children. So next topic is, we are coming to the rationalization. So before starting rationalization, we should know some basic things about rationalization. So we started with algebraic identities and we studied some questions based on the law or rules. Root a into root a equal to, or root a all square equal to a, and the division of irrational numbers like that. Now, next topic is rationalizing factor. Next topic is rationalizing factor. Take your notes and write the topic. Topic is rationalizing factor. Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take your notes and write rationalization factor. Rationalizing factor, rationalizing factor. I'll write. Topic is rationalizing factor.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Rationalizing factor. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll change the background of the screen. So it is green color. Let me take one. Oh. Okay, can you see it now properly? Can you see it? Okay. So our next topic is rationalizing factor. Okay. Here we are using the algebraic identities. Here we are using the algebraic identities. Okay. In that, first one is root A plus root B into root A minus root B. root A plus root B into root A minus root B. Can you do it? Can you identify which identity is that? Root A plus root B, root A minus root B.
A square plus B square.
A square minus B square.
Mm.
A plus B minus B square minus B square.
Okay, NAS. A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. So this is the identity. Good. Okay. So the identity you understood. It is like this. The identity we are using here is identity is A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Then in place of A and B, it is root A plus root B into root A minus root B equal to when you use the identity, it will be
Root A square minus root B square.
tell the answer. Can you tell the answer?
A minus B.
Root A square minus
Yes.
root B square.
It is A square minus B square. So root A all square minus root B all square. But you know that root A all square is A itself.
A.
Okay, clear? Root A all square is that number because root A into root A is A. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So root A all square is root A into root A and the answer is A. So it is A. Same. Similarly, root B all square is B. So we got the answer as A minus B. A minus B. So the identity, when we use the identity, we will get the result one. The result one is root A plus root B equal to result one is root A plus root B into root A minus root B equal to A minus B. A minus B. You can write this. Okay. So what is the first result we studied? What is the first result? Yes? No response? Can you hear me?
Root A plus
Plus
root
root B. Root A
root A
minus root
plus
B.
minus
Equal
root B.
to
Root A plus A minus B.
A minus B only. A minus B only because root A all square and root B all square and answer will be A minus B only. Clear? And you write this also as a result because we used to write this also as a result. Result 2, you already know it. Result 2 is root A all square is A. You know it. Root A all square is A. That also you write as a result. Second result. Actually, this should come as the first result because it is the basic one. It should come as the first result. Okay, when I send the notes, I'll send it in order. Okay, children. So now we are moving to our third result. Okay? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay, we are going to the third result. Right. third result, result 3 is, we will find the answer a plus root b into a minus root b. A plus root b into a minus root b. A plus root b into a minus root b. Again, you can use our identity there. Same identity. Can anybody tell the identity? Same identity. Which identity we are using here?
A plus B,
Which?
minus
A minus b. Same thing. And it is a square minus b square. Isn't it? So a square minus b square. Instead of that, we will write a square minus b square is root b all square. And we will get the answer as a square is no change, the same. But root b all square is b itself. So it is a square minus b. A square minus b. Why it came like that? Because a is same without root, but b has a root. So since a is same, we will get a square, but b has a root. So when you find the square root of it, that root will vanish and we will get the answer as root b all square as b itself. So it is a square minus b. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next result we will write again in a different way. Fourth result, root a plus b into root a minus b. Root a plus b into root a minus b. Ashik, can you hear me? Ashik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see the board, Ashik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. How will you get the answer?
A minus b square.
Yes, a minus b square. Will you tell the steps? The person which just now told the answer. Person who just now told the answer. Who is that?
Beta.
Lolita. Yes, yes. Will you tell the steps,
Yes.
Lolita? Yes.
Root a plus b into root a minus b is equal to root a square minus b square
B square. Okay. What is root a square?
is equal
Equal to minus b square equal to a minus b square. So that is result 4. Good. Okay. Shall I give the next result for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next result is. So next one, we are using the identity. We are using the identity a plus b all square. So these two we use the identity of a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. For the next two results, we are using the identity a plus b all square. So we'll do it. So it is result 5. Result 5. All right. Can you see the board?
Result 4.
Is it result 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Only.
No, ma'am. I would.
It is result 5, I think. So it is root a plus root b whole square. So which identity we are using here? Identity is
A plus B whole square.
yes, identity is a plus b whole square. And what is the identity? A plus b all square equal to
A square plus 2ab
a
plus b
square
square.
plus 2ab plus b square. So root a plus root b all square equal to root a all square plus, can anybody tell the steps?
2 into
2
root
into
a
Root
into root b
root b
plus b
plus
square.
root
B whole
b
square. Root b
all
whole square.
square. Okay. Root a plus root b all square is a square, that is first term square, that is root a square is first term square, that is root a all square plus 2 into root a into root b plus root b all square. Then root a all square, you all know it is a only, a plus 2. Root a into root b you can write in a single root, common root. Plus root b all square, also you know it is b square. Sorry, b. Sorry, it is b. It is b. So a square, a plus 2 root ab plus b. A plus 2 root ab plus b. A square plus a plus 2 root ab plus b. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next result. Did you write the result?
Yes.
So next result is root a minus root b all square. Next result is result 5 is result 5. Result
6, ma'am.
Result 6. Okay. Okay, it is root a minus root b all square. All square. Which identity will you use here? Can you
A
tell?
minus b whole
A
square.
minus b whole square.
Square. Okay, very good. A minus b all square. Identity is a minus b all square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The same result you will get, but one sign will be different, middle terms. So root a minus root b all square equal to root a all square minus 2 into root a into root b plus root b all square. So a minus, as in the previous question, will make the root together 2 root ab plus yes plus b. So a minus 2 root ab plus b is our answer. A minus 2 root ab plus b. Clear? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So that is result 6. And next result is very important. And it is the useful one. I'll show it. It is result 7, isn't it? Result 7. It is a plus, sorry, root a plus root b into root c plus root d. Root a plus root b into root c plus root d. Okay, here we can use the identity, but before that, you should multiply. How will you multiply if it is x plus 2 into y plus 3? How will you multiply? We will multiply
Ma'am,
each term. First term into
Cross
second
multiplication.
term. First factors each term with the second factors each term.
A
Like that we are
into
multiplying,
C
right?
plus
Somebody is
D.
talking?
A into C plus D. B into C plus D.
Wait. It is root A, root A. With root A, we will
And
be
distribution
multiplying
property.
root C. Wait.
And distribution property.
Wait, children, wait. I will explain it properly. See, it is root A plus root B into root C plus root D. Clear? So, it is with root A, you are multiplying root C. Again, with root A, you should multiply root D. So, will you tell the answer to me? Yes? Will you tell the answer? Root A
A into
into
root
root C.
C plus root D.
Wait. Who is telling the answer? See, with root A, you have to multiply root C. Again, with root A, you should multiply root D. See, can you see the arrow mark? Can you see the arrow mark?
Yes, ma'am.
It is root A into root D. Clear? Clear? Do the steps properly. After that, we will simplify it. Next, with root B, you should multiply both the terms. With root B. So, root B into root D plus root B, so root B into root C plus root B into root D. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I will explain it once again. Root A into root C. Root A into root C. Again with root A into root D. And this. Now, on the top, we will start with root B. So, root B into root C. Again, root B into root D. Okay. Can you tell the answer of this? Yes. Yes. Root of AC
Root
plus
AC plus root AD
root of AD
plus
plus
root BC.
root of BC plus root of BD. Okay. If you are taking root A common from this, you will go back to the ordinary step. Means the previous step you will go back. If you are making root A, if you are taking root A outside, common term outside from this, any common term you are taking out, you will get the previous step only. So you do like this and this is the result. Now this no need of studying by heart. All this you no need of studying by heart. Okay. Whenever according to the question we are using it. If it is multiplication you will use. Clear? So no need of studying it by heart all the result. You should know how to reach the results. Only that. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are rationalizing factor. So how many are there?
7.
Altogether, there are 7.
7.
Okay. Okay, children. Shall I give the next question for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, first question is, simplify. Right. Simplify. Simplify. Wrote? Did you write? Did you write?
Yes.
Okay. So simplify. Simplify. First question. 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. No need of applying in that. Just do the steps and find out the answer. Do the steps and find out the answer.
Ma'am, will you tell the question once again?
5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. Five plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. It is very easy. I find out which identity we are using there. Which identity? Yes? John Samuel came now only? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Are you late?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Which identity we are using here?
A plus B, A minus B.
A plus B into. A plus B into. In between one into is there. A plus B into A minus B. Can anybody tell the answer?
5
5
square
square minus 5.
minus 5.
5 square minus 5. What is 5 square minus 5?
25 minus 5.
25 minus 5. And what is the answer?
20.
20 is the answer. Very good. So, we'll get the
20.
answer as, here the identity we are just you denote that A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. And 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5 is 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5 is 5 square minus root 5 whole square. Write the steps properly. It is 5 square minus 5. 5 square is 25 minus 5 and our answer is 20.
20.
Okay. So this is the identity. Is it easy for you? Is it easy?
Yes.
Shall I give one more
Yes,
question?
ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
next question. Second question, 7 minus root 7 into 7 plus root 7. 7 minus root 7 into 7 plus root 7.
Can you tell the question?
7 minus root 7 into 7 plus root 7. 7 minus root 7 into 7 plus root 7. Vishnu is Vishnu. Oh. I can see your notes. Okay. Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nas. I'll ask Anjida. Anjida, can you hear me? Anjida, can you hear me,
Yes,
Anjida?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Will you tell the answer and the step? First
7
one,
square
tell
minus
the
7.
identity we are using here. Which identity? Yes, Anjida?
A plus A minus
Yes, both are same. A plus B into A minus B. Both are same. Equal to A square minus
root B square.
Okay. Identity, can you tell? What is the
A
identity?
plus root B into A minus root
No,
B.
Anjida, not that. We are using one identity here. You use that identity. Don't use the
Oh,
rationalizing factor. So, according to the
A
question, you use the identity. Yes. Yes. Tell.
A minus root A into A plus root A.
That is not an identity. That was our rationalizing factor. You use the identity here. Okay. What is the identity? A minus B into A
A
plus
square
B.
minus B
A square
A
minus B
square.
square. Okay, that was our rationalizing factor. How did you find the rationalizing factor? Isn't it? So no need of using that root A, root B there. Now use the identity, apply it in the identity. Okay, Anjita, can you tell the answer? Yes?
42.
Yes, Anjita?
7 square minus 7.
7 square minus 7. That is 7 square minus root 7 all square. Clear?
Oh,
Isn't
yes,
it?
ma'am.
So write the steps properly. What is 7 square?
49
49 minus what is root 7 all square?
minus 7.
Answer is?
42.
Okay. 42 is the answer. See, children? See, we have written many rationalizing, 7 rationalizing factor. Those rationalizing factors we are using in these type of questions. But when you do such kind of question, you use the identity, our old algebraic identity, and expand. Okay. No need of study by heart those rationalizing factor and applying. Those rationalizing factor we are using in when we are doing the rationalization. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this type of question use our old previous identities, algebraic identities. Is it clear to you? Okay. Shall I give you one more question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question is, okay. Our next question is, third one, root 5 plus root 2 all square. Use the algebraic identity. After some days, you will become experts. So, like Anjida did, like that you can do. Okay. Okay, Anjida? Anjida?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you use our old previous identities, algebraic identities. Did you understand which identity we are using here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which is the identity?
A plus B, A plus B whole square.
A plus B whole square. Will you do it for the next
Yes,
class? When I come for the next class, is it in the afternoon?
Yes.
Will you do it and show me?
Not afternoon, 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock, I think. Okay. So next class, when I come, will you show the answer?
Yes.
Shall I wind up the class now? It is time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank